Hey everyone, welcome back to the Y-Axis channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic in investing an Australian PR visa, the right move for you. Let's face it, securing a PR visa can be significant financial investment. You might be thinking, couldn't I buy a fancy new car, a cozy house, down payment, or even some shiny gold with this money? Absolutely, but here's the thing, an Australian PR visa offers you so much more than a fleeting purchase. It's an investment in your future, a future filled with opportunities, stability, and a chance to build a life down under. Let's get down to brass tacks. Australia boasts a rock solid economy with no recession in 27 years and counting. That's your winning streak compared to the ups and downs of other economies. Additionally, Australia's GDP is growing at a healthy rate of 4.3% annually. This translates to more jobs, higher wages, and a thriving business environment for ambitious individuals like yourself. Now, here's a fascinating trend. Australia has growing aging population. This might sound surprising, but it spells opportunity for young professionals like you, with more experienced workers retiring. There's a huge demand for skilled workers across various sectors. This opens doors for career advancement, higher salaries, and brighter professional future. In 2022 to 23, the Australian government granted 41,145 PRs to Indians. Let's talk about another popular option, gold. How much gold can rupees 2.0 lakhs buy? It buys about 20 grams. At the end of 5 years, it may be worth rupees 3 lakhs. An Australian PR visa, on the other hand, costs 2 to 3 lakhs and is a long-term investment in your future. It grants you the freedom to live, work, and study in Australia. We understand that navigating the complexities of PR visa applications can be daunting. That's where Y-Axis comes in. We're leading immigration consultancy with a proven track record of success with over 1 million successful applicants. Expert consultants, our team has in-depth knowledge of Australian immigration policies and regulations. Personalized guidance. We assess your eligibility, identify the best visa pathway, and tailor your application for a maximized chance of success. End-to-end support. We guide you through every step of the process from document compilation to interview preparation. Proven results. We've helped countless clients like you secure their Australian PR dreams. Invest in your future. Take the first step. Investing in an Australian PR visa is your chance to build a secure future with abundant opportunities. Apply as soon as you can, because the longer you wait, the lower your chances are of securing the PR.